You ever have this problem with your Minn Kota Ulterra where it gets to about 95% and you got to run to the front of the boat to give it a click? Well, let's take a look to see what fixed it for me, and we'll go through a few of the common issues around what are some of the best ways to troubleshoot this. To start, take away this quick release bracket for the purposes of testing. It's probably the best way to get a feel for what's wrong here. Most of your videos are going to say put some good silicone water resistant spray around a lot of your joints. For sure, it can't hurt at all. Most people will wonder about the piston here. Usually that's not the problem, and we'll sort of go through a good test to figure it out why. So as I said, I took off the quick release bracket. The reason why I took it off is it's easier to manipulate some of the motor here because you don't want to goof around with the gear on it all the time. When you come to sort of the front side of the motor, you have this metal piece here, and you've probably jiggled it a bunch of times here, and you want to see some good movement in this piece. Make sure it's not gummed up with anything bad. And what you'll see obviously is this pin pop in and out like this, and this is sort of what locks the motor in place or starts it when it raises up. So what we'll do is we'll just sort of bring it up here, and I'll explain the problem. As the motor starts to lower, it just sort of comes down, slows, gets stuck. Well, what I found for myself, I had a lot of scoring marks right here, and it's kind of hard to see, but you'll see some right around the middle there. So really all I did is I took my silicone spray, gave it a spray along here, and the motor just started sliding right into place like it's nice and easy. I'm going to put some grease on it, see how well that goes next time I'm out in the water. And as a worst case, if it keeps happening, I'm just going to take a file, take off a little sliver, probably in this bend point right around here, and then that'll bring the motor right into place. It really just needs to slide into your groove here, hit this little sort of sensor mechanism to bring your motor in, and that'll probably fix your problem. I wouldn't start replacing any parts yet. It's just a matter of, a little bit of grease, a little bit of spray, and worst case, a little bit of filing off an edge here maybe that could be causing it to get gummed up. So good luck everyone, and I hope this works for you.